When I posted previous video about SimulIDE, I began exploring other videos about SimulIDE here on YouTube, and I like this tool more and more, and you definitely need to try it yourself. And did I mention previously that this tool is free? I also found a forum on SimulIDE website where the bug reporting session. So I report a bug about custom characters doesn't work and get a reply that custom characters do work, but this library is quite outdated. Usually people use more common library, liquid crystals. It also supports custom characters, and it also works with SimulIDE. But with little investigation, I'll be able to fix this library also. And let's go get on a computer and check this out. I updated the schematic a little bit. I added a reset button and a terminal that can send commands there and receive. So it's quite useful here. And if we go to emulator, we can see that this actually need go to line, and we can write custom characters, go to line and build, and we need to go to in SimulIDE and reload firmware and then run it. So as you can see, it's working. We also can use LCD custom character generator to create our own symbol. So for example, like that. And we need to copy this array, go to emulator, go to test.ino and paste it in a function. I think it's let custom character, and make it static const char and add progname. It says that store it in EPROM, and then we need to load this custom character into place 6. Then we need to go here and say it on place 6. We have /x06, save it and build, and yes, everything is fine. Let's go to SimulIDE, reload firmware and run it, and nothing happened. Build application elf test. What did we do wrong? Reload. Okay, I remember. In here there are also how many characters we need to set. So we need to add 4 more, so it will be 15. Yeah, and then build, go to SimulIDE and reload, and then run. And yes, now it's working. Now you know how to set custom characters. I also built this on a real hardware, this same LCD. I have this nano form factor, but this board, this shield, is actually converted to UNO pinout, and this UNO pinout connected to the display, same as I have it on the screen. So I hope you like it. I hope you learned something new. Like and subscribe, and bye.